Students, this is question number 7. Let me write this down. Show that sine theta divided by 1 negative sine theta over 1 positive sine theta is equal to 2 times tan square theta. So we need to prove this. And then we are asked to show that, hence solve sine theta over 1 negative sine theta over 1 positive sine theta is equal to 8 for theta lying between 0 and 180 degrees. What I wish to do is I will like to consider the first part of the question. Consider sine theta divided by 1 negative, or I would say consider the left hand side. I am working out this question. Or I would say sine theta over 1 negative sine theta over 1 positive sine theta. Now the LCM is 1 negative sine theta multiplied with 1 positive sine theta. So this is going to be sine theta times 1 negative sine theta, 1 negative sine theta, they get cancelled, giving me 1 positive sine theta. You have a negative sign. 1 positive sine theta, 1 positive sine theta gets cancelled, giving me sine theta times 1 negative sine theta. Distribute sine theta into sine theta, I would say sine theta times 1 is sine theta into sine theta is sine squared theta, sine theta into 1 is sine theta into negative sine theta with a negative sign there, it give you positive sine squared theta divided by, now a negative b multiplied with the a positive b would give you a squared negative b squared. So this is going to be 1 squared negative sine squared theta. Now negative sine theta and the positive sine theta gets cancelled. You have sine squared theta, you add it up, you get 2 sine squared theta. 1 squared is going to be 1. This is sine squared theta. Now 1 negative sine squared theta is, from trigonometric identity, is cos squared theta. So substitute that. So this is going to be 2 times sine squared theta divided by cos squared theta. This can be rewritten as 2 times sine theta over cos theta. This entire thing is squared. Sine theta over cos theta is what? Tan theta. But there is a square there. So place that. What is this? This is nothing but right hand side. So what do you mean by this? This means hence proved. So we have proved it. Now coming back to the next part of the question. So this is given to be equal to 8. So consider sine theta divided by 1 negative sine theta divided by 1 positive sine theta is equal to 8, which means this entire thing is shown to be as 2 times tan squared theta, right? 2 times tan squared theta is equal to 8. So this means tan squared theta is 8 over 2, which in turn means tan squared theta is equal to 4. Right, so this in turn would mean my tan theta is equal to plus or minus 2. So I'm going to be taking it as tan inverse of positive 2. And if you had to use a calculator, this will be approximately 63.4 degrees. And we also need another theta, so that is obtained by, from 180 you subtract 63.4 degrees. So therefore you have two values. So theta is equal to 63.4 degrees is one value, and theta is equal to 116.6 degrees. So these are the two values of theta, and this is the entire question. Okay. We move on to the next one.